do 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 do.
Hi guys, this is Ranbir and right now I'm with Mr. Rishi. Mr. Rishi, he is the guy who just spoke about the launch about the new latest Sony earbuds. So Mr. Rishi, how are you doing?
So far, so good. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Rishi. Rishi, just asking you the question. Let's talk about first thing about little bit about before we talk about the product is what kind of market size does Sony manage or has in Middle East?
Okay. So let me answer the question in a different angle. This market is very complex. Every day a new brand is coming in. And as I explained during my presentation, we follow a pyramid. We call it a business pyramid, which is very, very bottom heavy. When I say bottom heavy, there are plenty of brands at the bottom of the pyramid and they usually play on price. So if you have one mark up, one mark less, it totally changes your share game. As you move up the pyramid, you start talking about the value creation, the product enhancement, the feature enhancement, because you are inviting customers to pay more for your product. And the middle of the pyramid is more about the ecosystem. There are plenty of brands having both mobile phone as well as these kind of products, and they play around their ecosystem. So how we are differentiating ourselves is by targeting the top of the pyramid with a feature pack product. So this product is a subcategory within our mobile audio category. We have headbands, we have earphones, we have in-ear with BT, we have in-ear without BT. So we command a pretty strong share when it comes to the top of the pyramid or the premium segment. And in certain categories, we are even commanding the number one share.
So let's talk about the new product which you launched. Can you give the viewers an idea what exactly is product about?
Okay, let me first show you the current product. This is WF-1000X Mark III, which is available in the market now. We launched this product in July 2019, and as I'm speaking, this is actually the number one product in terms of noise cancellation. Now let me introduce the WF-1000X Mark IV. As you can see, this one is 40% smaller than the existing one, and in terms of noise cancellation, 40% better. So you guys can imagine a product which is 40% better than the best. This is what I'm talking about. And this model comes with slew of features. If you talk about the noise cancellation, of course, the sound quality, it has DSE Extreme, and this one is high-ris compatible. Very few truly wireless products are high-ris compatible. And then comes to smart features, or nowadays we talk about IoT, Internet of Things, or the smart features, or the AI. So this product has two critical features. One is speak to chat. Second one is adaptive sound control. Speak to chat, as the name suggests, just speak if you want to chat. So means if you're immersed in your music and someone approaches you and say hi, and you respond, say hello, the music will automatically stop. And you can continue your conversation, and right after that, the music will start automatically. It's a very unique feature. We already have this feature in WH-1000X Mark IV. And another feature is adaptive sound control, as the name says, that if you're moving from one location to another, it automatically captures your data from the location and adjusts your settings accordingly. So if you're at the airport, you need more of an ambient sound, wherein you can listen all the announcements. So this will understand and automatically changes those settings. So these two smart features we have. On top of this one has a wireless charging. This one is IPX4, means splash proof and sweat proof. Plus in terms of battery life, this one is 6+16 and this is 8+16, so 24 hours, which is superb and best in the class.
Okay, and now as the pricing suggests that it's meant for certain kind of more of people who love audio and all. Can this product be suggested for audiophile listeners?
Of course. This product is priced at 1199 AED in UAE, and as I just explained, this is a feature packed product. So if you look at the spectrum in terms of usage, it covers the entire spectrum. Good call calling qualities with the bone conduction and the beam formation. So you can use it for work from home. And then sound is superb. So if you're an audiophile or a music lover and you love, especially if you love the highs and the mids, this product is the one to pick, to pick. And then if on top of it, if you're looking for a tech-ready product, means wireless charging, LDAC compatibility, high resolution, it has it. So in terms of usability spectrum, it covers it all.
Okay. Does it support with the Sony DAC?
Sony?
DAC.
Oh
DAC.
yes.
It does. It does with the Sony DAC. So guys, as you're seeing, this is a product Mr. Rishi is showing, which is just recently launched, and we had an opportunity to look at it. And this is supposed to be a great program. As you know, Sony always is the #1 company which provides for audio products. So Mr. Rishi, what would you like to say the last thing before we close this video?
Please buy one. Thank you.
That's nice about it. So guys, this product would be available in the market right now.
By end of this month.
From it's going to be September.
Yeah, by end of August.
By end of August it will be out. So guys, signing off, Ranbir out here.
Do